Hi all, today's topic is EBS life cycle. So we are going to see about EBS life cycle policy. Okay. So first, what is EBS life cycle? So life cycle is an automation process. For example, it is used to automate the process of creating, copying and deleting retaining and deleting the snapshot and AMI. So this process is called a life cycle policy of EBS. Okay. So first, how to create this life cycle policy? First, you will create a EC2 instance. So you will launch a EC2 instance in one region. Okay. For example, North Virginia region. Okay. And then you have to create a life cycle policy for EBS AMI, right? So so how you are going to create means, so go to your EC2 dashboard. Okay. Click, there will be a icon called like life cycle manager. So you just click on life cycle manager. So then you have to click on life cycle policy. So in that life cycle policy, you have to choose which policy type you want. So you have to choose EBS backed AMI policy. Okay. So if you selected the EBS backed AMI policy, then you have to, then the next step will come, right? So you have to give your target source tags. Okay. So in that key as a name you have to give, and value means instance instance name. So when you created the instance, right? So that time you will give a name, right? The same name you have to give in the value. So that name and this value name should match. Okay. So you have to match with the instance tag. Okay. When you created the instance, so you have to match with that instance tag. And then if you want some, and then if you want, they have a policy description. If you want, you can give some policy description. Okay. And then we are going to configure the schedule. So here, what you will do means, in schedule, retention type is count you will put. Okay. Keep means, if you put 2 means, only the last 2 AMIs will be kept, and other ones will be deleted automatically. Okay. So if you keep 1 means, only last AMI will be kept like that. Okay. And then you have to, if you want to copy this means, you have to take this AMI and snapshot to the other region, or means you have to give the specific destination region in the console. Okay. So which region you want to create the ABS snapshot. So in that, if you want to, because now when you launch the instance, you will launch the instance in the North Virginia region. So if you didn't specify any availability, means any region, when creating a lifecycle policy, so it will create in that region itself. Or else you have to specify any region name. Okay. And then you have to create the policies, and you just create the policy. Create policy. You have to select the create policy. Okay. So then your output will be like this. That means, say this is my AMI. Okay. So this is my AMI. I have when I was created instance, I was created in the North Virginia region. So when AMI is created, automatically snapshot also created, right? So snapshot also created in the North Virginia region. Okay. Now I gave a specified destination region to Mumbai. Okay. So I want this AMI and snapshot copied to this Mumbai region. Okay. So how you will do? So you have to give the specified region name in the life cycle policy in that console. Okay. So I gave that, and after 30 minutes or some time, it will take time. Okay. When creating a AMI from one region to another region, it will create time. Okay, so you have to wait and see whether it created or not. But it will create, but it will take time. So I have given a Mumbai region. The same AMI is created in the Mumbai region and snapshot also created in the Mumbai region. Okay, same shot. So this is how lifecycle policy works. So this is all about EBS lifecycle. So lifecycle policy means it is a process of automate process of creating, retaining, deleting, and copying the snapshots and AMI from same region or from one region to another region also. Okay.